Hello everyone, I'm Aaron from the Know-How, and today we have a drawing like this from a customer. And the question is, if the designer only gives you an AutoCAD file, how do you then translate this AutoCAD file into a 3D file? So first, I can just import this because it's a DWG file into PYTHA. And when I do that, this is what I get. Okay, this is what I get. So first, if I look at this design, I understand that, okay, I'm just going to delete the unnecessary lines like the title block. And first, if we look at this, we know that this is an angered, okay, it's an angered product. And you notice that there is different shapes in play. And the first shape I can already identify is this at the bottom. Okay, this is the base, I can see. This is the base over here. And then after the base, okay, there is a slope, okay, that goes up, and then this is the top. Okay, so this is the top. Okay, so from here, what can I do immediately? Okay, I can create the this model. So how do I do that? Okay, I first copy the base. So I say copy. So now I'm selecting this bottom part. Okay, it's alright. I just select 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, and I don't select the closing because I can manually close it. And I just say copy it, okay, from here to here, and I'm done. Okay, so next I want to convert this into a face. So how do I do that? I can just easily use auxiliary lines, okay, and I know that this is on my bottom, so it's okay, and I can say auxiliary lines 3D data face. And in auxiliary lines, I can use the AutoCAD lines as a tracer. So I just click join, 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 and done. I have a face. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm just going to move this face, okay, upwards by about 500 so that I can delete the line at the bottom. Okay, so done. Okay, and then now I'm just going to move this face down in the Z direction by 500. Okay, so it's on the floor. Next, I'm going to copy the top part. So same thing, I'm just going to right click copy 1, 2. Okay, for the top it's just like this. It goes to small area here, comes out, comes here, done. See, I don't need to close it because I can close it later. But this time when I copy, I click this line so that it reference from this bottom. So I say reference it from here to here so that we have something exactly the same and correct the position. Okay, so how do I change this to face again? Under auxiliary lines 3D data face, and we begin clicking first point, second point, third. Okay, so once you are done, now I'm going to bring this up. Okay, and I know that this height over here is about 1000. So I'm just going to right click move. I select this blue point and go up by 1000. Enter. Okay, so I have something like this. And then I'm just going to delete the bottom figure that you can see here, the bottom lines. Okay, and then straight away we will use the LOFT. Okay, so we go to parts, LOFT, and I say faces, and I select this to face. Okay, I use the first option and I press OK. Immediately the LOFT is created, but you see that there's something wrong here. Okay, because PYTHA doesn't know this angle and there's some issues here. So if I know for my 2D drawing that there is a bend line reaching from here to the bottom, what do I do? Simple. Okay, I can just create a bend line here, and PYTHA will follow. So before I do that, I need to make sure that the two faces are deleted. How do I do that? I move this up. Okay, and I make sure that the two faces are deleted. And from here, I go to Face Tools, Divide, and I click this point to this point, and immediately look, the model comes back to normal. So from here, with this model, I can use the same steps to get the tabletop. Okay, so this tabletop, I can bring the lines out and use auxiliary lines, and you will get this line here. So if I have the tabletop, what I will do, I'll use parts, I'll use profile, I'll select the face. This is a edge. So I'll use profile, I'll use edges, I'll select this, and I'll give it a thickness because I know my tabletop is about 30 mm. Enter. And now I can combine it together. So I can just say move this tabletop from this point to this point. Okay, so now I have the rough structure and shape, and from here I can now project the same thing over here. Now next we need to do this area here. You notice this is a solid area, and now I project this area, okay, and we are able to now better understand and visualize how this figure look like. So this should be enough for you to start doing the details and put in all the drawers in this compartment. Okay, so try it out and let us know if you have any questions.